Okay, guys, I can tell that I am a little bit rough around the corners? No, rough around the edges. That's the right way to say it. Because this guy right here, he walked up to me and said, "Oh, you gotta leave, you can't leave." And I'm like, all serious. I'm like, "Oh, that was a great video." Guess what?
Got him.
Guess what? I wasn't shooting. There were no numbers.
We got to get you out of here.
It just doesn't work when you do it the second time. It has to be spontaneous in Mustang Medic, and that's what it's going to be all day long at. Say it.
Philly Auto Show.
You can say it better than that. Come on.
The Philly Auto Show.
The Philadelphia Auto Show, baby! That's the way you do it. No? Okay, it's not him, but it's me, and you're along for the ride with me. And there's a beautiful woman over here. Thank you. There's a beautiful woman over here that I can't put on video because she said that she's not allowed to be on video. He is, but she's not. So I'm sorry that you had to see him instead of a beautiful woman. But I'll give you plenty of beautiful women today. And again, I apologize for the shaking. I'm a little excited. It's been a while. All right, guys, here are. And guess what? Dun, dun, dun. Rob's here.
Yep.
How do you feel, Rob?
Feel good.
All right, so how long have you been watching MustangMedic?
Since you were in your little TV.
In the carport?
Yeah.
That was 8 years ago.
Yeah, I guess it would have been.
Wow. Yeah. Well, Rob is going to come along with me. He's the cameraman and co-host of the show today. And where are we on? Where are we?
The Philadelphia Convention Center.
Come on, give me some more energy. Come on.
Auto show in Philadelphia.
There you go. So Rob and Amy, right over here,
Hi.
is a PR. What's your title?
PR events manager.
PR events manager is going to give us guys a little behind the scene. We're going to get to go around in a golf cart.
Yes.
Is that what you call it? A golf cart?
Yeah, golf cart.
We're going to go around a golf cart and check out behind the scenes over here at the Philadelphia Car Show. What is it? I think it's really important because Andrea shared this with me about the foundation.
Yeah.
Can you tell them about that?
Carring for Kids.
Right.
Foundation.
Yep.
So so on Friday night, the day before the show opened, we had a big black tie gala. It's called Black Tie Tailgate. We had over 5,000 people come.
And you raised a lot of money.
We did. We
How
raised
much?
a lot of money. I'm not sure exactly how much, but it was a lot of money.
It was like $500,000 or something, right?
Yeah. And so it benefits the nursing department at CHOP, Children's Hospital of Philadelphia. And so every year there's a different department in CHOP that it benefits, but then they do different things all year round. So
how do people donate to it now?
Well, one of the biggest things now is that you can, in the fall, we have a big coat drive. It's not a coat drive, but they donate over 50,000 coats to the city of Philadelphia. So people can go on to morethanjustautodielers.com, and donate money, which will buy a brand new coat to kids. They'll be given to the kids in the fall.
There. So it's not only just car enthusiasts, just metal and rubber and tires and everything. It's about people. And that's what's cool. So let's donate to that and be supportive to that cause. And here we go. We're going to go around in a golf cart and check out the show before it opens. How cool is this, Rob?
That is cool.
All right, here we go. Got to have you at least next to me, or otherwise I'm the big head in the video, and I'm going to be the big head.
Gotcha.
Okay, now there's a thing called being human.
We have a take 2 on this one.
And we're going live with both of them. Both are going to be on.
Oh, okay.
So we're correcting. Go ahead.
So we're correcting. So with the Caring for Kids, the Caring for Kids Foundation, like I said, if they have a big coat drive in the fall, so if you want to go on morethanautodealers.com.
And there's the type, so it's extra clear for you guys.
Yes. morethanautodealers.com, and donate money, and you can buy a brand new coat for kids in the Philadelphia area, and they'll be given a nice warm coat in the month of October.
So boom, there it is. A little correction.
Yeah.
Sometimes it's kind of a bummer being human, isn't it?
I know.
Trust me, I know.
We can't all be perfect like this guy.
No. Trust me, they know I'm far from perfect. All right, so here we go. We're gonna go for a little what is it called? A joyride with Amy.
Yeah. Joyride. It's always a joy.
We take the frustration out of restoration.